This is my house. Welcome to Cribs. It's a little dark in here, so if I step back, y'all can probably see. Oh, it gets dark. Yeah, there's a bar, a dining table. Let's zoom into the bar. Oh, can't. Okay, let's walk this way. This is the kitchen. It's dark in here too. Oh, that doesn't help. The stove, the kitchen. There's my boyfriend. There's my sister, our best friend. This is the Japanese room. Pick up a little basho over there. That's his name. Little sumo. Yeah, we have an upstairs. Those are samurai swords. The backyard's pretty cool too. Let's go out there just to take a quick glance. It's our backyard. It's really small. Let's see what's in our fridge. A lot of drinks, water, Coke, rice. Let's go to my room. I think my battery's about to die actually. Here's our bathroom. This is my room. No. Hi. I'm about to get ready for work at Fridays. Here's the computer room. Let's see if it's in light. There's a computer. The couch is a little messy. Keyboard. That's pretty much it there. I'm trying to make this quick before my battery dies. My room is a total mess. There's my bed. And my floor, which is really dirty. Let's go upstairs real quick before it dies. Hurry, hurry. If it dies, I'm sorry guys. Okay, let's go up the stairs.